Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening File Explorer and making hidden items visible. This exposes app data. Once done, press Windows plus R and type %appdata, % to jump directly into the roaming folder. You can also type %local app data, % for local settings, or paste C, /users, /username, /app data to access the parent. Do this now so you don't waste time digging. Make sure to replace username with your account name. Understanding these shortcuts saves minutes and prevents once inside app data, learn why folders matter. Roaming holds settings that move with your profile, so save preferences there. Local keeps caches and large files tied to this PC, so don't move them. Local low contains data for low-integrity apps like some browsers. To find a specific app, use the Explorer search box, filter by size or date, or check the program's folder name. Make sure to open properties to see sizes and last modified dates, because that helps you decide what to back up or remove safely. Finish by copying any folders you need to back up. Preserve structure so apps can find their files later. If Explorer blocks access, open PowerShell as administrator and use getChildItem or takeown/iCackles to change ownership carefully. Once done, restart the app to verify settings loaded. If you cannot find app data, make sure Hidden Items is still on and confirm you're in the correct user profile. That single check resolves most missing folder problems and prevents accidental edits to the wrong account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.